The brown bottle sitting on your bathroom shelf costs less than $1, and it can outperform a $40 can from the auto parts store. I'm not exaggerating. Here are 9 tricks with plain hydrogen peroxide that old-school mechanics used before the chemical aisle even existed. And by the end of this, you'll never look at that bottle the same way again. Trick number 1 is the one that surprises people the most. Under the hood, grime builds up in thick layers. Oil, dust, baked-on residue. Spray a little 3% peroxide directly on it. Wait a minute. Watch it start to bubble. That fizzing isn't just for show. It's oxygen working its way into the grime, breaking the bond between dirt and metal. Wipe it off, and the surface underneath looks alive again. Here's the thing nobody tells you. That's just the beginning. Trick number 2 is quieter, but almost more useful. If your engine idles rough and you can't figure out why, a light mist of peroxide around the intake gaskets and vacuum lines can reveal the problem instantly. Where there's a leak, the engine reacts. A little stumble. That's it. That's your answer. No smoke machine. No fancy diagnostic tool. Just a bottle and a steady hand. Now here's where it gets interesting. Trick number 3 deals with something hiding where you can't even see it. Inside the fuel tank. Over time, older tanks develop a fine rust film. That film breaks loose and clogs injectors, chokes filters, causes rough running. A small amount of peroxide added to a nearly full tank can help loosen that film so your fuel filter actually does its job instead of drowning in it. You're not flushing anything. You're just giving the system a fighting chance. If you've ever paid too much for a bottle that promised the exact same result, you already know why this matters. Trick number 4 is visual and satisfying. Surface rust on chrome trim or bare metal spots can be treated with a simple peroxide and baking soda paste. Spread it on. Let it sit a few minutes. The rust lifts. Brush it off, rinse, seal it. This isn't a miracle fix for metal that's already eaten through, but for early rust, it stops the clock before it turns into a real problem. Trick number 5 is for something almost everyone has dealt with. Battery terminals crusted in white and green corrosion. The kind that kills your starting power at the worst possible moment. A cotton swab dipped in peroxide breaks that corrosion down fast. It fizzes. It lifts. You wipe it clean. And suddenly the car that wouldn't start yesterday fires up on the first try. Old mechanics didn't need a specialty spray for this, just a bottle and a rag. Now trick number 6 has nothing to do with the engine at all. Ever had a lock freeze shut in the middle of winter? Key won't turn, door won't budge, your breath fogging up in the cold. A few careful drops of peroxide into the lock cylinder can help break down the ice and corrosion buildup inside. It's not about melting the ice with heat. It's about breaking the bond the cold created in the first place. Here's the part worth paying attention to. The chemical industry has built an entire aisle around this same basic idea. Rust removers, contact cleaners, stain removers, different packaging, different price tags, same underlying chemistry. Trick number 7 lives inside the car, in the seats. A coffee spill, an old stain, something that felt permanent. Spray a little peroxide, let it bubble for a minute, then blot with a clean cloth. Don't rub, rubbing pushes the stain deeper. Blotting lifts it out. Simple, slow, effective. Trick number 8 might be the biggest one on this list. That yellow haze on old headlights, it's not dirt. It's oxidation of the plastic itself, caused by years of sun and road salt. A peroxide treatment, applied and allowed to sit, can help reverse that surface haze. Rinse, dry, and seal it with a UV protectant afterward. Suddenly, those headlights look years younger. And trick number 9 ties everything together. Hydrogen peroxide is a simple oxidizer. It breaks down into just water and oxygen. No residue, no harsh fumes, no mystery ingredients hiding behind a brand name. That's why it worked in garages decades ago, and it still works today. If you've made it this far, you already know something most people don't. The expensive bottle on the shelf and the plain one in your medicine cabinet are telling the same story. One just costs a lot more to hear. So next time you're standing in that aisle under the fluorescent lights, look a little closer. Every one of those products is solving a problem you might already have the answer to. You now know 9 tricks that were never written on a label, and that's knowledge no store shelf can put a price on.